us check case 2 in converting an affirmative sentence to a negative sentence. In case 2, we have these degrees of comparison. Students, you have already learned in your class 6 and 7 about degrees of comparison. Positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Yes, do you remember? Or just recall or check the video of degrees of comparison. Students, now let us check the example. Now suppose if the sentence is Arun is as kind as 1. So here it is, the sentence is in positive degree, as kind as. Now I need to convert it into a negative sentence. Let's check how am I doing it. Varun is not kinder than Varun. Now here I have used a comparative degree of kind and I have used not. So for this, if you remember that when a sentence needs to be changed from a positive degree affirmative sentence to negative, you need to use not plus comparative degree. Yes, I hope you understood. Let's check if the sentence is in comparative degree. Sheila is more beautiful than Shilpa. Now here the sentence is in comparative degree. I need to change it to or convert it to negative. What will be I doing? Shilpa is not as beautiful as, Sheila. Shilpa is not as beautiful as Sheila. So here, what did I do? I have used not and I have used the positive degree. So, when we convert a comparative degree sentence to negative, we use not plus positive degree to convert it into a negative sentence. Yes? So, let us check the third sentence, that is if the sentence is in superlative degree, how or what should be taken into consideration to change to negative. Suppose the sentence is Vardhan is the tallest boy in the class. Now we know that we could understand from this that the sentence is in superlative degree, the tallest. Now we need to change this sentence or convert this sentence into a negative sentence. What are we doing? No other boy in the class is as tall as Vardhan. Did you observe? There is no. Now don't get confused. In the previous sentences, ma'am, you told not, and now we are using no. Do you remember when I was explaining the negative sentences, I was telling you about usually the presence of no, not, never, nothing, nobody. All, anything, any one of them, you can confirm that it is a negative sentence. So here, the presence of no confirms that it is a negative sentence. Now I changed the sentence in superlative degree to a negative sentence using no and positive degree. No other boy in the class is as tall as Vardhan. So you have to remember this, not plus PD. PD means positive degree. Yes, students? Let us now check with the third case how to convert an affirmative sentence to a negative sentence. Let us check the third case. Yes, I hope you understood case 1 where we were using an opposite word. Case 2, the degrees of comparison and not. And now the third case is when the sentence is having 2, T over 2 and 2. How you change the sentence or convert a sentence to negative sentence, we will check with examples. See this sentence. The tea is too hot to drink. Now I convert it into a negative sentence. Check how I am doing. The tea is so hot that I cannot drink. So when I am reading, I say cannot. But when you are writing, please see that you are writing the contracted form of the verb. Okay? So, the tea is so hot that I can't drink. See how I converted? to so that. Did the meaning of the sentence change? No. The meaning of the sentence did not change, but I have used can't, cannot. It is a negative word. Yes? Okay. You can understand more better with the second sentence or second example. He is too weak to walk. That means he is unable to walk. See, he is so weak that he cannot walk. I have used, for you to understand, that's why I have written a full form, cannot. So when we are using, when there is not in the sentence, it is understood that it is a negative sentence. See how I have converted the affirmative sentences to negative sentences, keeping in mind the three cases. Yes, I hope you understood. If you have understood, fine. If you did not understand, please go through the video again and again and read the textbook, that is the grammar book page of sentences related to the affirmative and negative sentences, and I am thinking you will understand. That's all for today's class. Thank you.